kouseki. We use this when someone achieves big results at work or study, or makes a strong contribution to society. 功績、仕事や研究で大きな結果を出したとき、また社会に強く貢献した話でよく使います。It is used as a noun. The word kouseki literally points to notable successes and helpful contributions that deserve credit or praise. この言葉は素晴らしい成功やみんなのために役立った行いを指します。人の頑張りに対して褒める気持ちが入っています。The first kanji means merit or achievement. It appears in words about success and service. Think of vocab like seiko and koro. It feels like credit you earn. The second kanji means results or record. It shows up when we talk about scores and real outcomes. Remember words like seiseki and jisseki. It suggests concrete results you can point to. He made a great contribution to the company. 彼は会社に大きな功績を残しました。彼は会社に大きな功績を残しました。His research was recognized and he received an award. その研究の功績が認められ、賞をもらいました。その研究の功績が認められ、賞をもらいました。The team's victory is also a credit to the coach. チームの勝利は監督の功績でもあります。チームの勝利は監督の功績でもあります。We all praised her for her achievements. 彼女の功績をみんなで称えました。彼女の功績をみんなで称えました。The most common synonyms of the word are 業績 and 功労。業績 focuses on measurable performance or records, often in business or research. 功労 highlights devoted service or long effort. 功績 overlaps with both when praising notable results or wide. The most common antonym of the word is 失敗, which means a failed result. Unlike 功績, which praises success or helpful contributions, 失敗 points to outcomes that did not work well.